Welcome to the problem at hand. We have a situation where we need to estimate the group membership of each element in a large vector. The current code provided uses a Rcpp function to iterate through the elements and determine their group membership based on intervals. However, for a large vector, this code is proving to be inefficient and time-consuming. Now, diving into the solution, we have a more efficient approach using the Rcpp package. The provided Rcpp function, findIntervalGroup, utilizes C++ code to speed up the group membership estimation process. By directly handling the calculations in C++, we can significantly improve the performance of determining the group membership for each element in a vector. Continuing with the solution, we also have a benchmarking comparison using the micro-benchmark package. By comparing different methods like cut, bin code, and the Rcpp function, we can clearly see the performance differences. The benchmark results show that the Rcpp-based approach, especially the findIntervalGroup function, outperforms the other methods in terms of speed and efficiency. In summary, we've explored a more efficient solution to estimate the group membership of elements in a large vector using the Rcpp package and benchmarked its performance against other methods. By leveraging C++ code and optimizing the calculation process, we can achieve faster and more efficient group membership estimation. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. See you in the next video.